So, for a long time, my greatest joy in life was to say bless you after people sneezed. I loved it when strangers told me bless you because I felt like they cared about me and I felt like it made my entire day. So anytime I met anyone, they would sneeze and I'd be like, bless you, because that's a polite thing to do. It's an accepted thing to do in society. It's been happening for probably hundreds and hundreds of years. Probably the first words cavemen ever said were bless you when somebody sneezed. So the other day, I was talking with one of my friends, not even one of my friends, some girl that I know, and she made a sneezing noise, and so I was like, bless you. And she goes, oh, that wasn't a sneeze, that was a cough. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I just took 3 words out of my day to say bless you. I just spent 30 seconds of my life blessing you. What if I become the Pope one day? Then you're gonna feel real bad because you wouldn't accept my bless you because you coughed. Does the cough make my bless you less valid? Does that mean that I can no longer bless you because you coughed instead of sneezed? I was blessing you. Clearly sneezing is a sign of you being sick. You are not feeling well. I want you to feel better. So I took time out of my day to say bless you. And then you say, no, I coughed? Frustrates me to no end. If I'm going to take time out of my day to tell you bless you, you better thank me. Because I swear to God, if you don't thank me, it's worse. It's worse when you say bless you and someone just looks at you and is like, I took 2 words out of my day to say bless you. You can't take 2 words out of your day to say thank you? I think that you can. I really think that you can. If you ever cough and I say bless you, just accept it. It doesn't matter if it was a cough and not a sneeze. It doesn't matter if it's not socially acceptable because, frankly, I don't really see the difference. A cough and a sneeze are both signs of illnesses. My assumption is that we say bless you when people sneeze because it means that we don't want them to get sick. Well, actually, that's the same thing for a cough. So shut up. If I took time out of my day to bless you, you better say thank you. The other day, I was in a supermarket. Some little old lady walks by and she gives a little polite little sneeze. It was like, and so I turned around and I went, God bless you. She whips her nasty-ass blue-haired head around and says, there is no God. Excuse me? I don't care about your religious beliefs. I didn't ask you one time about your religious beliefs. I said God bless you because I heard you sneeze and you're a little old lady and for all I know, you don't got much time left, so it's probably good for me to bless you anyway. And you say, there is no God? In what context is that acceptable? Name one time that I'm sitting there in the middle of the cereal aisle not knowing what to say except for, oh. Now some of you are going to be like, no, well that's not the socially acceptable thing to do. It's not politically correct. I don't give a crap. I say God bless you because I want you to feel better and I just want you to know that someone out there cares that you feel better. And you're going to say there is no God? I'm going to smack you in the face. Guys, I just blessed you. One day I'm going to be a priest or something and you're going to be really annoyed because I blessed you and you didn't accept it. And I'm not going to feel bad for you. Not in the slightest.